Day 7 of the Dear Daughter devotion. Today's devotion title is A Living Symbol. If you want to read more Bible verses that go with the devotion, you can read Ephesians chapter 5, verse 25 to 33. So if you want to read those, then go ahead. Like always, we are going to start with a Bible verse and then go into the devotion. So yeah, we'll start with that. Prepare as a bride adorned for her husband. Revelation 21, verse 2. Are you a young maiden who is about to marry a young man? That is special in many ways. But one of the most special things about getting married is this: the two of you become a living symbol of Christ and his church. No doubt you have often heard these words. The church is the bride of Christ. Did you know that those words are not actually found in the Bible? No, I actually did not know that. What? Yes, the Bible is full of pictures or symbols that portray the church as a bride of Christ. Take the 10 virgins in Matthew 25, or look at Revelation 21. What a glorious vision John had of the new Jerusalem, like a new bride adorned for her husband. The new Jerusalem is another name for the church of Christ. Yes, marriage is a picture in so many ways. The young man whom you marry will bestow all his goods upon you, be they many or few. By comparison, the heavenly bridegroom bestows upon the church the unsearchable riches of grace. A new bride is a picture of radiance. How radiant is the church, the bride of church shining forth his reflected glory. Best of all, perhaps, is the picture of love that opens the depths of the hearts to one another. Jesus says in John 14:21 that he will love us and manifest himself to us, revealing the deep secrets of his merciful heart. As you go forth into married life, young maiden, never forget what a radiant, living symbol you have become. Come hither, I will show thee the bride, the Lamb's wife. Revelation 21:9. So that's day 7 of the Dear Daughter devotion. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.